County ya Kisii posi Arati niganyara ko bagagoikirana ase chiabisi chia DCI imensemo ya Kiambu elioko iraniria maburio ase keriage kageire nigo agendete ko bagagotwara chibunduki chinyinge echochire maminjaneri chiko.
Arati uyikirana mo n'abawakiri baye gatiabo James Orengo n'abigo Otienda Mule gatiabande nigo bamuchiriye omonsi CIO we County ya Kisii Catherine Njue askira batabuna nigo agotumeka bobe DCI.
Kagokwana nigo boigo abawakiri batebire chingwana echo nigo chire cyo bongenereria boigo nigo orenga tebire katiabo bisabo burendi nigo babwate meroberio yoko mubekirera Arati kobane chibunduki echo chire maminchane richiko.
I've seen a clip that is also in the hands of the police, and we have handed a copy of that clip to the police also this morning and this afternoon, where a police officer, a CCIO in Kisii, is recorded giving instructions and giving insights into how guns, firearms, and other things are going to be planted on Governor Arati. Partly is to make sure that Governor Arati is not given the space to undertake his duties as governor of Kisii. And secondly, it is a scheme to bring false charges, fabricated charges. And thirdly, to make up a case against Arati, and we believe from the evidence we have seen so far that even in that scheme, Governor Arati's life is in danger.
These threats, they have cost Governor Arati, our client, and they have affected his ability to execute his functions as a governor, because he can no longer stay in a place that is hostile, and the hostility is being perpetuated by the persons who are supposed